Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will show how to make funnel cake sticks full guide. Begin by combining flour, sugar, baking powder, and salt in a bowl. Whisk in milk, eggs, and melted butter until smooth and slightly runny. Preheat oil to 375 degrees F and prepare a piping bottle or cone for batter. Fry strips until golden brown and drain briefly on paper towels before dusting with powdered sugar. Measure your ingredients precisely and whisk them together until just combined for an even batter texture. Aim for a batter that flows easily through a squeeze bottle but holds shape in oil. Let the mixture rest for about 5 minutes to hydrate the flour and reduce air bubbles, which helps create uniform sticks. While the batter rests, heat oil and prepare a tray lined with paper towels for draining the cooked sticks. Keep your oil between 350 degrees F and 375 degrees F to ensure crisp, golden funnel cake sticks without burning. Pipe the batter directly into the oil in straight lines or zigzags to form sticks, spacing them to avoid sticking together. Flip the sticks once the edges set and bubbles subside, then cook the other side until evenly golden. Drain briefly on paper towels, then move to the final.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.